Nice to meet you. I'm your presenter today.
Hello. Today we're going to go over how to make an AR avatar of yourself in Canva using the HeyGen app, one of the apps that is available within Canva itself. You would first have to go under Apps and select HeyGen, which would then ask you for your email information to sign in, and then you would add the app to your dashboard within Canva for that. I've already done that, so I'm going to go into the app right now. I've uploaded a photo to use, and I am going to choose the sample text here. You also have the option, if you wanted to upload your own voice or any voice instead of using one of their default voices. So I'm going to go ahead now and generate that video. Our video is now ready. I am going to add it to our design in Canva. I am going to set it as the background. And now I am going to play it.
Nice to meet you. I'm your presenter today.
Now, some of the things you could also do with this
Nice to
is
meet
you
you.
could
I'm your presenter today.
use it not just for regular images, but for drawings, basically things made to make you or the subject look like a cartoon, for example. You could remove the background. As mentioned previously, you could upload your own voice file if you want to use your voice or some other voice that is not one of the stock voice options available in HeyGen. So this combination of the HeyGen app within Canva opens up a world of possibility. You can use these for openers for videos or for even entire videos. Basically, the options are kind of unlimited. So please remember to like and subscribe. Thank you, and see you in the next video.